Hello, in this video I'm going to show you cvtest. It's a test library used for OpenCV or other image processing application to test your output. In image processing, for testing the output is different from other application because we use image and we need to test the image. For example, see differences between pixel value, see the differences between the histogram of the two images, because each algorithm maybe work a little bit different and we don't want to exact the same output image. We just need to comparison between them, and different algorithms work in different kind of method to create the output of the images. So you can download this PowerPoint from this link, and this is the QR code of it. You can go to the GitHub URL page for the cvtest. Every day updates the new algorithm and new code here. And let's start to cloning the project. Okay. Okay, this is our function, and let's run the project. First, you need to install the OpenCV. I created a static library for the OpenCV5 beta, so you need to go to the Tools, New Get Package Manager, Manage New Get Packages for Solution. Click here, and then search for OpenCV5. Then here you can see two different packages, one of them for Visual Studio 2019 and another one for Visual Studio 2020. We use this one and install in our project. Because of the limitation of the NuGet package to 250 megabytes, I only use release. Make sure you select release H64. Okay, NuGet package already installed, and I use a static library in order to not using DLL and copy the DLL for all other solutions. So right click on the project name, properties, and in the C++, click on code generation, and here you need to select multi-threaded MT in order to use the static library without any DLL. Okay, now our project is ready to run. Okay, for example, this is a read one images and try to get all information about these images. Let's see. Okay, here's our images, and okay, this is the histogram of the images. The information of the images is 8UC3 and number of rows and columns, and all other information you can get from these functions. To learn more about all these functions, you can go to the website. Click around topics OpenCV, and you can see information, slides, and other source code tips and tricks about the OpenCV library. Thank you.